exosomes. If you want to have true, real exosomes, you have to be. If you want to have exosomes that are inside the fat, you can get it very. The Fidia kit, the high tissue, the filter is smaller. The quantity of cell is reduced compared to this because less cells can pass. Plentiful of vesicles and exosomes as this. The advantage is that I can easily inject with a 30 and with a 32. You see the bag? The bag is with this filter. Then I will open the filter to show you how the filter is made. And this is the blood filter I was talking to you. So it is, yeah, it passes. That's fantastic.